how to center text in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to notion.so. Once you're on the home page, click on the Login button at the top right corner. If you want to save time, you can click on Continue with Google for a faster sign-in. Then just select your Google account to log in. Once you're inside your Notion dashboard, go to the page or document where you want to center your text. It could be anything: a project overview, a personal journal, or a team meeting note. Now here's the trick. Click into an empty block and type this command, /equation. From the menu that appears, select block equation. It might seem like we're about to insert a math formula, but here's the clever part: we're going to use this feature to center our text. Once the block is inserted, you'll see a field where you can type. Now type your text inside this field, for example, "Welcome to my workspace," or whatever title or message you want to center. Once you're happy with the text, click Done. And just like that, your text is centered neatly in the middle of the page. It's not true paragraph centering like in Word, but it works great for headers, callouts, or section titles. And there you have it. A super simple Notion hack to add a bit of design flair to your workspace. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. See you in the next one.